Can you slide it off? You slide the ribbon off?
Yeah. How do we slide it off?
Do we need a scissor?
Yeah.
Oh wait, she did it. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how to slide that
Give it to me, Mama.
This doesn't look so good. Maya! That's not nice. Mommy, but I want to open the paper. The story of a girl who goes on a quest to find out what makes her special and discovers along the way an enchanting world of magic and new friendships.
What's it called?
The Wonderful World of Dana.
Oh, I like it.
So cute, huh?
I should say Dana.
They each have your name in it. They're each about you guys.
What?
Look.
What,
Dana,
Mommy?
Dana, read mine to her.
Yeah,
But
read.
this looks nothing like me.
Wait, look at. Can you read Maya's to her?
Mine doesn't look it at all.
Maya.
One day, a little girl woke and sat up and rubbed her eyes, looked over the bedroom door, and got a big surprise. It's called the little girl who lost her name.
Mm-hmm.
This doesn't look like me at all. Look at mine.
What do you say, guys?
Thank you.
Can you say it nicely instead of that?
Thank
Isn't Jan the best? Say thanks,
Yeah.
Jan.
Thanks, Jan. Yeah.